Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background in Canva. So whether it's a picture that you upload to Canva or you're just using images from the Canva library, you can easily go ahead and remove the background from those images. But I want to mention to you that in order to use the background remover in Canva, it requires Canva Pro. Now, once you have Canva Pro, no problem. So let me go ahead and show you how to do this. Once you're inside Canva, guys, you want to go ahead and find the picture that you want. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and just use a photo from their library here. So I'm going to just go ahead and choose images, and I'm going to just find something with a background. Take, for example, this picture here with this girl, or let me use these two persons here. So I'm going to click on this image here. As you can see here, this is an image that I've added here onto my canvas. Now, and this contains a background. So how do I go ahead and remove the background? Simply click on it. Then on the upper left hand side, choose BG remover. You can see that there's a crown right next to this feature, and that simply means that it requires Canva Pro. Once you have Canva Pro, just simply go ahead and click the BG remover, and it's going to go ahead and remove the background for you. And that's it. Doesn't matter which image you choose, guys. I'm going to go ahead and remove this right now and just scroll down and find another image and show you. So let me go ahead and take, for example, this one here. Go ahead, click the image, click the BG remover at the top, and you will see that it removes the background. And that's it. That's how you go ahead and remove background in Canva. Very easy and very simple.